we went to the beach and here we are.
You want baby? Jaden?
How about you so you don't come now? We haven't been here.
Nothing, I'm not saying anything.
I'm going to the tent.
You going to the tent? Okay.
All right, beach.
I might do it inside.
There you go. Okay, now you gonna record?
Just give me it.
There you go.
Okay. Hi. I'm Maya. Like Suahan said, we are at the beach. And I'm in this really cool tent. And I'm just having fun. Here, let me show you. So, this is the beach. It's really cool, huh? It has water and everything. Okay. So, hey! I'm done. I'm already done.
Don't put it there.
Okay.
There you go.
Sandro.
There you go.
Bang.
Get it out!
Jesus Christ.
Whoever thought that between the three of us there'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many children.
So many girls.
What? What?
Your phone?
What about?
Uh-oh. Somebody's angry. Oh, there you have.
Hello. So, after that little clip of beach day, we left. I didn't record anything else. So, we're actually gonna go again tomorrow. So, yeah, so now we're setting up. I bought him new sand shoes, beach shoes, because they're so stinking cute. They have little animals on it with like floaties and surfboards. Look how cute. They're size 8. He's an actually size 7, but they didn't have anything, like anything. Like it was all like tiny things or super big things. It's like what happened to everything else? So more like me, I'm getting ready for everything tomorrow because I don't want to wake up tomorrow and then everything is just chaotic. So we bought a tent that's right there, and as you saw on the clip for the other day that we went, which was last weekend, I believe. You want to wash it? Okay, let me wash it. So yeah, and I got him a long time ago. Don't mind the light. This light is just horrible. 1 second. Ooh, yummy. So anywho, I bought him these swim trunks a long time ago. They were size 4. He's 3 years old, for my son, and I got him also the same day. These ones are 18 months, and he's been wearing these ones because it's the ones I have, which they're cute. I like them. They fit him. He's on a smaller size, but he's average size. When I took him to the hospital, like to his appointment, his 3-year appointment, he's average height and everything, but his weight is a little down because picky for everything to eat. Everything, even candy. I'm literally giving him a push pop, and you know what he's doing? Playing with it. Playing with it. Which, I'm not kidding. Look at this. Why is he playing with it? But those are the new swim trunks that I got that are actually 4T. Oh, you can't see my hands. They're 4T. And yeah, they fit him. Celadrian, say hi.
Hi.
And they fit him so stinking cute, and I love it.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
So, oh, being close up. So, yeah, he likes them. Well, I like them, and they match the new shoes, which, mind you, I haven't seen those swim trunks in a long time. Like when I got that, he was, I think he just turned 2 years old. Yeah, when I got those pants, I think he just turned 2 years old. But it fits him, and I'm so happy I did it. So very happy that I actually went for it and I bought it, because now it matches his new shoes and it's just perfect. And yeah, so now we're just setting up. I'm grabbing a ton of stuff. I have random things and everything for the beach. And yeah, that was just my rant. So see you tomorrow with more fun beach day, hopefully.
Beach day.
Go. You gotta say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Hit the camera. No, not with that, with the hand. Good job. What are you trying to do?